Tesla's trading volume spiked to around 175 million when the average is around 40 million. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be covering Tesla stock and what I expect to happen next week. Did you guys buy this dip? Leave a like on the video if you bought the dip at 6:30. We've been talking about it this week. Usually there is a little small flash crash on Tesla. This happened back-to-back 2 times, in which the first time we gave back all of our gains. Second time we were prepared and we almost broke even, but we still came out profit. And today we had another small flash crash from 665, which I believe is just plain out panic. Traders taking profits, not wanting to hold into the important day on Monday, and it dipped all the way back to that support level, guys. We've been talking about 630s. You can see it's in this wedge, and we bought that dip. We only had 10 shares, in which we bought right around the 639.73 area. As you can see, I got filled at around 673, 639.73, and then we sold at 673 and 664. So I didn't even see the spike. I was trading it from my phone. I broke my rule. I always say don't trade from your phone, but when Tesla is dipping dramatically like this, I have to trade. So today we are up 610 on the day, closing another winning streak on Tesla completely this entire week. Actually, guys, did you guys get filled at 695? I've been reading online, and I saw that some people actually got filled at 695, and this is the print they're going to be using on to show the last current the high day actually. So it is 695. It's even showing here on I think we're showing after hours. It's right around 678. But these little small pullbacks can really show us how fast and how volatile Tesla can be. Which, if you're a day trader and you're not in it for the long term, be very careful with your position sizes. I'm always going to be saying that. Be careful with your position sizes and make sure you cut losses quickly if your trading plan is not going your way, man. So, like, even just when we bought Tesla on this dip, I literally just wanted to sell into the spike above EMA. On the 5-minute, Tesla tends to, as soon as it starts dipping under EMA, look what happens. It tends to take a little bit of time, but it rebounds and it retests that EMA, either to number 1, break above, or number 2, come back down. So as soon as it started being sold off around 670s, all the way down to 620s, that's why I bought. I said it has to. I'm taking the risk of it coming to EMA, and it blew way past my expectations. That huge candle, it was just insane. I sold. I even sold at market for 5 shares. I didn't really care. That was way above my way better than my plan that I expected, and we just move on. We wait for next week. So with that being said, as for the pullbacks, I usually take into consideration what other people say online, and we're seeing a sell-off coming Monday. So if there is a sell-off, if there is a pullback, it's probably going to be to that level we've been talking about the entire week. I know I've been saying that, probably get annoying. 630s, 630s, 630s. Someone even said, what price would you dip by this? 630s. I'd get in around 630. Other than that, if it breaks past 630, 600s is the level I'd be definitely waiting to size in decently. And we had that test on Wednesday right around the 603, 604 level. So as for a new high, today we peaked at 684, right around that level, which was kind of odd. Usually when Tesla spikes into the end of the day, holds midday, and tries to make a new high into the end of the day, kind of gives you a signal of what's to come the next day. And we had a small gap of pre-market, and then it just starts running at market open. We're having some volume here as we speak. It's at 695. Wonder who's placing these orders right now. But vice versa, guys. If Tesla, in this case, say we didn't have such a fat rebound like we did into the market close, I think it's kind of hinting us of what's to come Monday. So I'm kind of mixed here after this huge rebound. It's kind of iffy. It's kind of hard to call it. But if we pull back and we do gap back down, watch the 630 level. So even today, I at least expected this to tap 700, possibly 708, 710, but we did not get that. I'll continue to be a day trader on Tesla. I don't necessarily feel too comfortable swinging Tesla, in which this case, I'm not to lie, I was going to swing my 10 shares, but the current situation that happened, I didn't. So that's pretty much it, guys. Watch those levels. Watch those whole numbers, 700, 650 and 630 and 600. Those are the levels I'm going to be watching. Of course, I'll size in bigger as we pull back even more to 600. So with that being said, make sure you watch the 4 hour as well. I'm not going to lie, it's looking a bit overextended, but with the volume today, it was also a quad day too for the options expiring. So the volume was insane. Also, we have still teeter-tottering, which is with the stimulus bill. So that's going to be definitely a huge catalyst that hopefully over the weekend it can be resolved. It could come to a conclusion, or we could get a more positive catalyst. So that's pretty much it, guys. Take care. Click the first thing down below for our chat, and I will see you guys Monday bright and early for another trading day. Take care.